Yes, today we are going to make cubism art. Yes, you can use pencil color also. You can use any color of your choice. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so what we make? Cubism art, ma'am, I use oil. Yes, Kanak, you can use oil pastel color. I'm also going to use oil pastel color. Okay. So now it's time to start our cubism art. You can make anything of your choice. Here, I'm going to make a butterfly. You can make anything like apple, ice cream, pot, whatever of your choice. Okay. So get set ready with your pencil and sheet. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so I'm going to draw a butterfly here, but you can draw anything, an apple, a flower, a pot, whatever you want to draw, okay? So I'm going to draw butterfly, a simple structure of butterfly. You don't need to make a butterfly with so many details. Here, one way, yeah, Nehal, you can make a book also. Yes, you can draw flower pot. Skanda, check your internet connection. Okay, first complete drawing Radhima, then I will see. Okay. Now it's time to make other part of our other of butterfly wing. But before that, I'm going to draw a butterfly body here, just like this. Yes, Anvi, you can draw a heart. Yes, you can draw vertically or horizontally. It's all up to you. Yeah, I can zoom it a little bit. Everyone, is it visible or not? Nishika, here I am drawing a butterfly, but you can draw anything. Yeah, here you can draw a doll also. Now, for the head portion, I'm going to draw a circle here and just erase this portion. As I told you, you don't need to make details, so I'm not going to make eye here. Now it's time to make next wing just like this. So here I make a very simple drawing of butterfly. You can make anything of your choice, or you can make same just like me. Yes, Tashi, you can draw heart. But you can draw anything. It is not compulsory that it should be like a cartoon, but you don't have to make a detailed drawing. Okay. As you can see here, I draw a butterfly with a very simple drawing. I didn't did a add a eyes here, any pattern or design on the wings. I just draw a simple line drawing. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, you can draw a fruit basket also. Okay, once you're done with your drawing, tell me, then we can move to our next step. You can make 2-3 bows. Otherwise, one bow will be very simple. Very good, Ridhima. Very good, Aradhya. Radha has finished. Kaustubh have finished. Okay, cubism art basically means we are going to draw this butterfly in a cube form. If you have ever seen a cube, so we are going to make this butterfly in a cube type form. Okay, so for that, now what we are going to do, we are going to use our scale, and we are going to make line over our butterfly, and we are going to hide this butterfly with so many lines, just like this. You can make line in any, you can make this line anywhere on your butterfly. You don't have to do same like me, just you have to hide your butterfly with this lines. Make straight, slant, horizontal and vertical lines on the butterfly. What happened, Ayansh? First, you can draw a line, then I will show you some pics of cubism art. Okay. So I'm going to draw some lines hiding our butterfly just like this. Just make sure that all the boxes that are covering our butterfly should be big in size, just like this. Okay. Yes, whatever thing you have drawn, now it's time to draw lines on your drawing. You have to make lines like this. So I'm going to make a line, one more line here. As you can see, there's no lines at the middle portion of my drawing. So I'm going to make one more line here. And this boxes are going to be too big. So I'm going to add one more line in the middle, just like this. So now my drawing is completed. You can add line according to you anywhere. There's just make sure that on your drawing is divided into so many boxes like this. Yes, you can draw grapes also. So is it clear to everyone what you have to do? Tanushri, what we have done here we draw a butterfly, but you can draw anything of your choice, and then you have to make a vertical, horizontal, slant lines to hide your drawing. Very good, Nandika. Very good, Dhriti. Very nice, Nishika. Very nice, Riddhima, Dhyati, and Revati. Very good, Aradhya. Very good, Sanvi. Very nice, Anvesha. Very good, Manmeet. Very good, Sejal. Sejal made a ice cream. Very good, Del. Very good, Nakshatra. Keshav, you can make some more lines. As I told you, you have to hide your butterfly, make big boxes like this. Okay, I told you that cubism means you have to make a drawing in a cube form, in a box form. Very good, Yana. Very good here. Very nice, Shivangi. Very good, Dharya. Very nice, Aradhya. You have just joined. Just make any drawing of your choice, and then you have to make a horizontal vertical slant line like me. Very good, Sayansh, Toshni, Zenel. Very good, Jansh. Very good, Heel. Very good, Jyotsna. Jyotsna has made a pot. Very nice. Very good, Ravindra. Very nice, Mahant, Zainal, Bhuvan, Ashna, Vivan. Very good. Everyone complete it quickly. Okay, now it's time to do outlining with a black sketch pen. Okay, everyone, now we are going to do outlining. You can use black sketch pen and you have to do outlining on all the lines on your drawing. Yashita, what you can do, make a drawing and then cover it with the so many lines just like us. Sanvik, I will see your work first completed, then I will for sure see. Okay, now it's time to do outlining. Who are joining now, what they have to do, just make a butterfly or anything of your choice, like some student have made pot, heart. Just like them, you can make any drawing, simple drawing of your choice, and then what you have to do, you have to hide your drawing with so many lines, just like I have done here. And after that, you have to fill. Yes, Sanvi, I have seen your drawing. Your drawing is correct. Or who are joining now, they can copy just like I have done here. And make it quickly. Yukta, first do outlining, then I will see what you have done. Okay. I'm finally here, but Ruan good, Hitisha good, but it's time to make lines. Okay, you have to make slant, horizontal, vertical, whatever lines, but hide it. hide your drawing and divide it into so many boxes. Yukta, I'm not able to see your work. Yes, it is necessary that whatever drawing you are making, you have to divide that drawing into boxes like this and make sure that boxes are big in size. You don't have to make small boxes here. Just like this, you don't have to make small box like this. Your boxes should be in big in size just like this. Who have done, you can wait for me till I'm doing outlining, and for the others, okay, Yukta.
It's a humble request to everyone. If you want us to see your drawings, just raise your hand so that we can see your drawings on the first page. Just raise your hand through Zoom. Amazing. Can you see, ma'am? I can see a lot of drawings.
Okay, everyone has done a very beautiful drawing. Good. Daniel, make line quickly. Now it's time to draw outline. Okay. And everyone has done a beautiful work. Very good. Dharre, you can add more lines. Siddhi, make outlines quickly. Okay. Everyone drawing is very nice. Good. You all have done a beautiful work. Very good. Aisha, make lines quickly. Otherwise, your drawing is nice. Okay, very good. Very nice, everyone. You all have done a beautiful work. Very nice. Very good.
We are
Oh,
able to see all the works and they're all good. Also, don't forget to send us the pictures and we'll be seeing the drawings there as well. Yes, ma'am.
okay, everyone. Don't forget to share your beautiful work on our WhatsApp number. When you complete it, just click the picture and send us on our WhatsApp number. All of you have done the outline. Now it's time to do coloring. Okay, I have seen everyone work. You all have done a beautiful work. Very good. Yes, I have seen everyone work. Very good. Okay, everyone. So now it's time to do coloring. In these boxes, you have, all of you are listening to me. What you have to do now, you have to fill these boxes with a different color. Okay. Yes, you can do outline with any sketch pen. There is no compulsion that you have to do outline with the black sketch pen only. You can do outlining with any sketch pen. You can fill any color. You can fill any color of your choice. If you want to repeat color, you can do that also. Yes, you can use crayon, dry pastel, oil pastel, watercolor, whatever color you want to use. Palak, I will share my number in the chat box at the end of this session. Very good, Athav. Very nice. Okay, everyone, now it's time to do coloring. So here I'm going to use oil pastel color. And what we have to do, we are going to fill these boxes with a different color. Okay? What happens, Ani? What do you want to ask? Sachi, I have seen your work. I'm just mentioning their name in that. In if your drawing have any. Okay, Sachi, wait a minute. Okay, everyone, all of you are ready with crayons, colors, and dry pastel, whatever color you are going to use.
I will request all the students to just follow Kiran ma'am for now. We'll be checking out your drawings at the end. So right now, please don't show please lower your hands, and then we will move on to the next steps. I hope that is clear. Also, if you have any genuine doubts, only then please write your doubts in the chat box. Otherwise, we might miss important doubts due to unwanted messages. Thank you.
Okay, so it's clear to everyone. Now it's time to do coloring. So you can use any color, you can fill any color in any of the boxes. What you have to do, just fill these boxes with different color. Okay, so here I'm going to use orange color and I'm going to fill this box with the orange color.
Kushini is asking, can we color boxes which are out of the drawing, out of her drawing?
Yes, we have to fill every boxes, whether it is out from the drawing or whether it is inside. Okay, I already told you, you have to fill every box with a different color. And when you complete this drawing, you get your butterfly with so many colors. Okay, is it clear to everyone what you have to do? Yes, you can use crayons color. Yes, you have to fill whole boxes, whether it is outside from your drawing, you have to fill every boxes with the different colors. Okay, now I'm going to fill this box with the pink oil pastel color. You can use any color of your choice. If you want to repeat any color, you can do that also. Yes, Samriti. You have any doubt? Now here I am going to use dark pink. You just have to fill every boxes.
Aisha is saying she does not have oil pastels, but she does have crayons and sketch pens.
Yeah, you can use crayon or sketch pens. But make sure that you are using only one medium. You can use crayon or you can use sketch pens. Is it clear? I'm going to use green color now. So here you can see, by making this line and filling it with the different color, you can get your butterfly filled with the so many colors. You all have to do same like me. You have to fill every box with a different color. Now I'm going to use blue color. See, your butterfly is filled with so many colors. Yes, you can use any color of your choice. I already told you, you don't have to use same color like me. You can use any color of your choice. Now I'm going to use a purple color. If you use bright color, it will look more beautiful.
So I think Hiral, yes, you can use those colors that you have. So ma'am has been continuously saying that you can use any color that you want, any color that you have. If they're oil pastels, sketch pens, crayons, it doesn't matter. It just needs to be colorful.
Here I'm using dark orange. Just fill your boxes neatly. This beautiful pattern which you are getting, it's called cubism. Some of the students ask in the starting of the session that what is cubism? This beautiful pattern which we got, this is called cubism. Okay.
You can repeat the colors as ma'am already told that you can repeat the colors. 11 colors are a lot. So yes, you can repeat Jyotsna. That's fine.
I'm also repeating color here. As you can see here, I used a green color. Here I'm using a green color again. So you can repeat color. Just make sure that if you're using orange color here, then you don't have to use in these 4 boxes, which is nearby that box. Now where you can check your internet connection. Everyone, my sheet is visible or not?
Yes, Kiran ma'am, it is visible. Navya, please check your internet connection. I think there's some internet connection issue at your end.
Okay, I'm using a light pink. Even what you can do, you can repeat this color in these wings also. You can make both wings same. Now I'm going to use blue color here. As I told you, we can repeat same color in these wing also. So I'm going to use pink color here. Yeah, you can use like this also. You can use if you don't have color, then you can use two mediums. You can use crayon and sketch pen together. Yes, you can use color of your choice. Just one thing, keep in mind that you have to fill every box with a different color.
Yes, Sanvi, that looks good, but make other boxes fill with color as well. Yeah, you've left the other boxes out of your heart. Make more squares, make more boxes, and then fill them like Kiran ma'am is doing. Same for you, Harvi. Color the other outside boxes as well. You can divide them into smaller boxes and then color them.
You can divide your whole sheet in smaller boxes. Okay. Just make sure that every area of your sheet is divided into so many boxes.
Yes, Sayansh, it's looking good. Same for you that you can divide the outside boxes as well into smaller boxes and color them. It will look very good.
Very good, Shanaya. Shanaya, now it's time to fill the outside boxes. Okay. If you're done your inside boxes, then it's time to fill the outside boxes.
Ma'am, I just want to say one thing. Children, please don't misutilize the chat box. It is for asking genuine questions to the tutor. And I can see that some students are misutilizing it by sending spam messages. Please make sure that you're not doing so, because the children who are sending spam messages will be removed from the meeting, because it is causing a disturbance to the other students who are learning here. So, Ria, like right now you are spamming, so I'd request you not to do that. And uh, it's just there'll be strict action taken against the students who are doing this. Thank you.
Okay. Sanvi, please don't fill boxes with a black color. You can use any colorful, bright color, but because we have done outlining with the black sketch pen, so don't use black color to fill the boxes. Except black, you can use any color. As you can see, I didn't use a black color and I'm using rest of the color which I have. Yes, आपको ये पूरी शीट पे कलर करना है. Very good, Manmeet. Now it's time to fill the outside boxes. Now I am using orange color.
So yes, Sayanch, I think आपको पूरी sheet को color करना है जैसे मैम ने बोला that you have to color the outside boxes as well, not just the butterfly boxes.
Very good, Nandika. Nandika, I think you have not done the outlining, right? If you have not done, then please do outlining and then fill the outside boxes too. Okay? No, Sanvi, you have to use at least 2-3 colors. Very nice, Myra. Myra has already completed. Very good, Nandika. Nandika has already completed. If you want to fill the outside boxes, make sure that you are not using a single color. For the outside boxes too, you have to use a different color. Yes, Prisha, we need to fill the outside boxes also. Here my butterfly is not completed yet. That's why I'm just doing coloring in the inside boxes. But you have to fill the outside boxes too. Yes, you can use brown. You can use any color except black. Because usually black makes your drawing dull. That's why I'm saying that use bright colors.
Yes,
Very good,
Pari and
Mithun.
Mithun.
Very nice, Pari. Very nice, Mithun. Very good. Pari has completed her drawing. Very nice. Now it's time to click a picture and send us on our WhatsApp number. Very nice, Anjum.
Very good, Yana. Very good, HP. I'm
Very
not
nice,
sure what the name is.
Anamika. Yeah,
Can we use painting color? I think yes, ma'am. They can use paint color as well. I mean, the watercolor. I think they're asking about.
yeah, they can use watercolor also.
Also, ma'am, students are asking when will they color the middle section?
We are already coloring the middle section.
Yes, children, just see what Kiran ma'am is doing. She is already coloring the middle section. Galaxy 8 Plus, you can use any number of colors, any number of times. There's no compulsion. You can repeat the colors any number of times. Myra, that looks very beautiful. Neha, that looks amazing.
Beautiful work, Myra and Neha. Very good, Ridhima. Now it's time to fill the outside boxes.
Very good, Heer.
Very good, Aruhi.
Sanvi is asking, can she color outside boxes with 2 colors? I think yes, right?
Yes, you can do that also. You can use 2-3 colors and fill the outside boxes. Very good, Dhyara. Very nice. Very good, Aradhya. Aradhya made a very complicated drawing.
Yeah.
But it looks very beautiful. Very good. Very nice, Deepak. Very good, Ashna.
Very good, Revati. Children, please raise your hand. Yes. Very good, Pari. We've seen yours, Pari. You can lower your hand.
Very nice here. Very good, Nishika. Nishika, it's time to fill the outside boxes. Very good, Advay. Very good, Siddhi. Very nice, Priyanshi. Very good, Navya. Very nice, Palak, Abdullah, and Advay. Very good, Anisha. Someone has made a very beautiful butterfly. Oh, Tashi made a very beautiful heart. Very good. Very nice, Asma. Very good,
Beautiful.
Dia. All have done a beautiful work. Very good, Jasna.
Actually, it's amazing. Yes, Simran, amazing job. Hitisha, Diana, Harit, Navya, amazing. You all have done an amazing job. Very good, Jinal. So, children, don't forget to send us your drawings and on the WhatsApp number. I messaged in the chat box the WhatsApp number of LearnArt. Don't forget to send the pictures of your drawings there, and we will feature you all in our daily video. So, and you all have done an amazing job. Amazing job.
Now it's time to complete your drawing. Whoever has not completed yet, please complete it quickly.
Anushri, we saw everyone, so we might not be able to say the name of every student because there are a lot of students here, but we can see all your drawings and you've all done an amazing job.
Now my butterfly is also completed. So it's time to fill the outside boxes. Okay. Very good, Nidhi. Very nice. You made a very beautiful ice cream. Very good, Ansh. Very good, Harvey. Very nice. Very good, Ayansh. Ayansh, fill color quickly. Now I'm going to fill the outside box. So here I have used pink color. So in this box, I can use orange color. You have to use a different color from the inside boxes.
Tharvin Sanvi, please raise your hands as I've already told. We cannot see your drawing. Please raise your hand and show us. That's amazing, Aisha and Harvey. Very good. Good job, Ruheen. Good job, Atharvan Sanvi.
Very
Good job,
good,
Hitisha.
Atisha.
Very good, Madhuri. Good job, Kevin. It's a very good car. Meher is still doing it. Good job, Meher. Hey, Ridhima, that's looking very good. Good job, Kevin. Good job, Rishabhi. Yes, good job, Toshini. We already saw yours. Very good, Bandhavi. It's looking beautiful.
Everyone, first complete your drawing and then we will love to see your complete drawing.
Harshit, you have to color all the boxes. All the boxes that are there in your drawing, inside the figure and outside, you have to color all the boxes. And you can choose any types of colors and any kind of colors. It's fine.
As you all can see, now I'm filling the outside boxes with a different color. So you have to do same like me, okay? Just make sure that these two boxes, you don't have to fill these two boxes with the same color, okay? Otherwise, you can use any color. If you use same color like you have done in your butterfly, then it will not be visible to see your butterfly.
Very good job, Manya. And Anamika, it's looking very beautiful.
Very
Very
nice,
neat and
Anamika.
clean. Yeah, very beautiful.
Very good, Manya.
Thank you, Asma. Very good. So see, Asma is already sending the photo on WhatsApp. I request all of you else to send the photos as well if you want to show your drawings to the world. If you want your drawings in the video, just send it to us on our WhatsApp number and we will feature all the drawings in our video. Good job, Anvesha.
Yes, Tashi, you can use sketch pens.
Good job, Subhekya. Yes, Shivangi, if you have sent the pic, we will receive it. Thank you for sending. Okay, okay, I will add it here again. So in the chat box, as you all can see, I have given the LearnArt WhatsApp number again. Please don't forget to send all your pictures of your drawings on this WhatsApp number and we will feature your drawings in our videos. You all have done an amazing job. Yes, Anvesha. Yes, Bandhavi. Anyone else who wants to show their pictures, their drawings, to send your photos at WhatsApp number of LearnArt. I've given it in the chat box. And for one last time, I'll tell you again that we can use all kind of colors, as Kiran ma'am has already told. You can use pencil colors, brush pens, paint, anything that you want to color.
Here. Very good, Lakshay. Anvesha, show me what you have made. Very good, Zania. Very nice, Tanushri. Very good, Umrani. Very good, Anvesha. Tanushri, I have seen your work already. Very good, Pransi. Very nice, Zania. Very good, Joanna. Very good, Shravani.
Dhwani, can you raise your hand? We're not able to spotlight you anywhere in the participants. If you could just raise your hand, we'll check out your drawing.
Very good, Nishika. You have done a beautiful work. Very good, Meher. Very nice, Divya. Very good.
So I think all the children have done an amazing job, Kiran ma'am.
Yes.
I think we're at the end of the session. So I'll request all of you to please send the pictures of all these beautiful drawings on our WhatsApp number. And if you have any doubt, you can ask right now. And thank you so much, Kiran ma'am, for this wonderful session. I mean, this is a very new kind of art that I've seen, and all the children got it very beautifully. They've made amazing drawings out of Cubism art. So thank you so much, Kiran ma'am, for this. And anything else from your side, Kiran ma'am?
Okay, I have seen that so many students have leave there. You have to fill the other boxes too, okay? You don't leave like this. After the end of this, you get a very beautiful butterfly filled with the so many color in a box-like form. This is called a cubism art. Okay, this box-like figure is called a cubism art. Joanna has done a very beautiful work. Very nice.
Yes, amazing.
Very good, Palak, Zaniha, Parv, Aisha, Deepak, Siddhi, Dishita made a very beautiful butterfly. Very nice, very good. Okay, very good, Shakti. Your incomplete work is also looking very beautiful. Very good, Arena. Very nice, Anisha. Very good, Namisha, Siddhi, Vidhi, Pari, Arohi, Aditya. Okay, everyone, send your beautiful work on our WhatsApp number. There we will love to see your beautiful work, and we are going to share your beautiful work on our Instagram. And now complete this and send us. Now it's time to say bye-bye.
Bye. So I'll just unmute you all. You can all say goodbye to Kiran ma'am.